Hello guys, and today I will show you how to use stretch resolution on the Xbox One. So the first step that you need to do is press the home button on the controller, go all the way over to settings and go down and press settings. I'm at system and then go down to press settings. And then, so you're going to bend at the top, right? So you go down to system, no. You go down to display and sound. Go to video output. And the first thing you need to do is just go to events. Go down to video fidelity and overscan. Press A on it. And then look, you're going to be at the display setting. Press A. Go down to HDMI. Press use manual settings. Then next, you have to go over, go to color space, press A, go to PC RGB, and go to switch anyway. And go to yes. And there you go. That was how you can use stretch resolution for an Xbox One. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and smash that like button. Bye.